Hello everybody, welcome back. Now what I want to do is I added some more names in there. Nancy, Steve, and Jonathan are now in this mix. And sometimes you want to divide not only in pairs, but you might want to divide in groups of 3 or 4 or whatever you want to divide in. So let's have a situation here where we have a team C. So we're just going to add team C in. And now we're not going to think about halves, we're going to think about thirds because we want to divide the number of teams up evenly. So let's have this first thing be like first third. And I'm going to do the same thing, take the length of people, divide by 3. And so since there's 2, 4, 6, 8 people here, if I divide by 3, that's going to be the first 2. And now there's going to be 8 people, or 6 people left over. So now we want the second third equal to whatever's left over cut in half. If we did this again, it would be 2, and then we'd have a group of 2, a group of 2, and a group of 4, which isn't exactly what we want. So what we want is we want the length of people minus first third. So we want to take everything minus the first third, and then I'm going to take that number and cut it in half. I believe this is going to work. I'm going to do double just to make sure I don't get anything else. And now I'm going to, this one I'm going to take the length of people. So other half, I'm going to say third third. Does that make sense to have a third third? Well, I'm going to write it. So I'm going to take the total length of people minus the first third, and then I'm going to minus out the second third. So now this first group is going to be, well, let's see if this even runs before I start talking. Oh, I forgot to have this in here. So I started it, but I didn't finish this. So this, for I arranged first third, for I arranged second third, and now we need to create one of these for team C. For I arrange third third, and let's have this team C, so we're adding that to this team C list. Alright, let's see if this works. Alright, we have it. We have team A, looking good. Team B, we have 3. Team C, and those look like pretty even teams. Now, we could add other people to this. We could add Joyce and what's the officer's name? I'll just say officer because you guys don't want me to think that through. And now let's see if this works. So I run it. We have team A, team B, and team C. Those look like fairly even teams. Now it's working out. Now the last thing that I don't like about this program is I really don't like how I'm writing out the teams down here. So let's have a nice print statement. Print team A, colon, I'm going to end it there and then say plus, let's do team A. And I think we'll need this. Well, let's see what this looks like. Print team, oh, let's do one first before we get overzealous. So if we run this, it doesn't like that there's a list and a string here. Let's do str. Now team A are those 3. So now I just have to do the same thing for team B, And now when I run this, now this looks a lot better, and you can easily see who's on which team in order to prevail. Alright, hopefully this makes sense. Good luck.